They gave me money to find the sky, and I took it with no questions, didn't even ask them why. But days are open and skies are free, and the time it took to learn that couldn't leave its chains on me. I lived in shadow, away from the sun, and the trembling in my mind kept my heart and body on the run. Then freedom called us, called out our names, and the beckoning of its highway saw through all our useless games. The love we wanted was lost in light, and the trances slipped on by me like the flashing sorrow in her eyes. Then we took the rise together for the first time in our lives, feeling just like one is better than wasting time on tearful strife. Our time is open for us to see, and our freedom skims on upward like the seagulls soaring at the sea. And our freedom skims on upward like the seagulls soaring at the sea.